Hello children, welcome to the class. The topic for today's class is letters placing orders. Now order letters are often sent by individuals or firm or an organization or an institution to another individual, firm, organization or institution when they want to buy some products or services from them. The order letter formalizes an order by putting all the terms and conditions related to an order. Order letters mention the details of the product or service to be bought. Now, the details include the name of the product specifications like serial number, model number, brand name, etc., order quantity as to how many or how much, trade discount. As a customer, you can always ask for discount. When and where the delivery is to be made. So this has to be very clearly mentioned. The time and the place where you want them to send the delivery. Who will bear the delivery charges? This has to be very clearly mentioned to avoid any dispute between the involved parties. Then late delivery clauses, if you wish, you can write this also. Mode of payment has to be very clearly mentioned. How you are going to make the payment, by check, bank draft or any other mode, that has to be clearly mentioned in the letter. And then time needed for payment. Now what you need to remember here is that not all the above mentioned details need to be mentioned in each type of order letter. Okay, so you don't need to mention all these details in each type of order letter. So let's once again see how to write letters placing order. The first thing that you should remember is that an order letter should be concise, to the point, and clearly specify all the necessary points. Okay, so order letter should be concise and clearly specify all the necessary points. The next thing, it should be drafted very carefully as it needs to pen down all the terms and conditions of the purchase for the benefit of both involved parties. So very carefully pen down all the terms and conditions. Next thing that you should keep in mind is that it should have all the relevant details related to the order. Okay, so mention all the relevant details related to the order, such as the product, specifications, quantities, price agreed upon. All these has to very clearly mentioned to avoid any sort of confusion. It should also indicate the date by when the order is expected to be delivered. Okay, so please mention that clearly. The mode of payment should also be specified in the letter. Now the topic for letters placing order that you normally get to write in the exam are books, placing order for books, magazines or journals. For the library, sports equipments or laboratory equipments, electronic gadgets, household items, garments, sometimes stationery items also. Okay, now let's have a look at the format. Begin your letter with the sender's address. Sender's address to be written on the left hand side corner of the page. Then date in the expanded form, followed by receiver's address. In receiver's address, write the designation and the complete address. After receiver's address, salutation. Salutation usually sir or madam, as it is a business letter. Then subject. Subject should be clear and precise. Just a brief description of the item to be purchased has to be mentioned in the subject. Now the body of the letter. Here the details of the order placed are mentioned. The first paragraph should explain for what you are going to place the order for. Second paragraph should talk about the details of the services or the products that you are placing the order for, and here you need to draw a table and include these columns there: the order number, item's name, item quantity and other specifications. Then the third paragraph is concluding paragraph, refer to how, when and where you would like the delivery to be made. Conclude politely, asking for a prompt and safe delivery of goods. Then your complimentary close. Sign off or close your letter in one of the following ways: yours faithfully, yours truly, yours sincerely. And here you need to keep in mind your Y capital and yours without the apostrophe. Okay. Then sender's name and signature. Put the sender's signature or name and the designation. So let's once again look at the format. Sender's address, then leave a line, date, the expanded form, again leave a line, receiver's address, leave a line, salutation, leave a line, subject, and then the body of the letter. After that, again leave a line and then the complimentary close followed by the name and the designation of the sender. Now here this is just an example to show as to what you should write in each of the paragraphs. Okay, this is just, I've just written the body of the letter. This is just for an example. You don't need to copy it blindly. So you begin your letter with, this is to bring to your notice that on behalf of, write the name of the institution here. I'd like to place a bulk order for the supply of, write the name of the item here. Okay. We have selected you keeping in view the goodwill you enjoy in the market. And the list of the name of the product again here with their particulars is attached here with. So this is your first paragraph. Then you can look at the table here. Serial number, item name, that is the name of the product. You can simply write your name also. Then the product specification, brand, authors, or if you are placing order for books, author's name or the publication, and the quantity. Now the concluding paragraph. We will not settle for less than 20% discount, so you ask for the trade discount. Then besides, we hope to get another 5% extra discount that is usually granted to educational institutions. Suppose you are placing order for your school, you can ask for this extra discount. See, the more the better, so you can ask for this extra discount. And then mention it clearly who is going to bear the delivery expenses. It goes without saying that you will bear the delivery expenses. Then time and place where the delivery is to be made. Please dispatch the above mentioned items at the address mentioned above within 15 days of the placement of order. 15 days I have mentioned written here. You must write according to the question. Kindly ensure the items are in exact, so you just remind them that they should make sure that the items, they are exact in number. Talk about that you want them to send the goods of high quality of the brand that you have asked for. Then talk about the mode of payment. The payment will be done digitally or by check or bank draft, and when you are going to make the payment on receipt of the goods. End your letter with this line: looking forward to hearing from you. Okay, so your first paragraph where you have explained what you are going to place the order for. Second paragraph in the form of a table where we have talked about the details of the product, and the concluding paragraph where you have talked about how, when and where you'd like the delivery to be made. Okay. So once again, sender's address, date, receiver's address, salutation, subject, then split the body into different paragraphs, the complimentary close with the name and the designation of the person sending. So I hope this is going to help you write letters placing order. Thank you.